Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be analyzing four semiconductor stocks, which I think there might be some opportunities. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and all I say is I'm not telling you to buy or what to do, so you need to trade at your own risk. So the first stock I want to talk about is ASML Holdings. We we used to have this line of tendency. Let me show it. The weekly chart, you see how every time the price touches the line, it went up. Right here, we lost it. So this line is no longer working right now. So we are above it. We are above it. So right here we have this channel. If you can see how we touch it, we went down. We touch it, we went down. Right now we are almost at the bottom of the channel. We have the RSI at 39, almost 38 points. But we have all the MAs pointing down. Here we have a dead cross, the MA50 crossing the MA200. If we look at the weekly, we are right here in the MA200. So today closes this candle. If we close under it, under the MA200, I think that's not a good signal because we will have all DMAs pointing down, and right here in the monthly we are just touching the MA50, and you can see how it's making a rebound. So what I think the price will do here is a strong support, so we might be able to try to reach at least to touch the MA50 right at the middle of the channel, and then it depends what the price will do. I'm going to check it next weeks, but we might have a pullback, or if there is extreme bullish pressure, we might go and try to reach the top of the channel. Second stock I want to talk about is NVIDIA, the best stock in the market right now. We have this line also of tendency. You can see how touch it, went up, touch it, went up. Right now we came from 52 week high right here, and we have a pullback. We have the earnings coming November 20, but what I think the price will do right here, we might see a pullback at least to the MA50 right here in this line. You can see to find some bullish support. Yeah, we have the RSI at 56 points, which is pointing against trade up, but we have all these bearish signals confirming at least a little pullback to the MA50, which right now is 120, 125. This continues to reach, it's going to be a coincidence right here with the line where we can see hopefully a good entry position to try to retest the 52-week high. Third stock I want to talk about is Taiwan Semiconductors, where we see the same with NVIDIA. We see this line where you can see every time it touched it, went up, touch it, went up, touch it, went up, and right here we did the 52-week high. So right now we are above all DMAs in the daily chart, which is a good signal. But at least if we have a pullback, we want it to be like this. You see how it touched it and went up. If we look at the weekly, we can see it perfectly, how it touched the price, touched this line and went up. So for the time, I think this is still bullish. The monthly were extremely good. Look at that. But in the daily, we are still up above all the MAs. I'm not telling you to buy because it's going to run up again. No, I'm not telling you that. But we might see at least a few more days of bullish. And then we might see another pullback. Last stock of the video is AMD, where if we go to the weekly chart, we can see perfectly from 2022 how it respected every time this line. Here we touch it and we did the 52-week high. Then we have a pullback where we touch it again and we had we went up right here, so you can see. If we look at the weekly chart, we have the MA crossing the MA50, which is a bearish signal right here, and you can see the weekly is starting to rebound when right here in the MA50. If we look at the daily, we have the RSI coming down all the way. Well, we had the earnings. I think it was on Tuesday, were really bad. So we might come here and touch this line or act every time as a support, as you can see in the chart. So yeah, we have the RSI with at 42, so there is maybe a chance to have a pullback. We have the MACD forming again, the bearish signal, and if we look at the monthly, we're almost to hit the MA20 right here, 139. So all these zones will act as a support for this stock. So this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, please let me down. If you want to subscribe, please, it's free. If you want to leave a like, you're welcome. Thank you for watching.